No, I'm not in Minnesota anymore.
Wow, you hear that? Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel. I'm in Fargo, North Dakota, and I heard there was an air show in town, so I'm stopping by.
Always looking good for some art mural. There's penguins fishing, penguins flying, penguins swimming. These guys are on rafts. And I'm not sure about these three. Some Pullman train cars. North of Normal, Fargo, Moorhead, West Fargo. Greetings from Fargo. And the caboose is the Great Northern Railway. Twin Cities Division, BNSF Railways building.
Well, that was pretty cool, the air show. I really didn't do much this time around up here in Fargo. The air show was good, and I saw a few things in town, but that was about it. Usually just looking for places to bicycle. I do that on another vlog that I do. So if you want to look at those, I'll post something at the bottom, and you can follow me on those if you'd like. But other than that, we're heading to another state now. And on that note, traveler out.